where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and as you can see, these are the bearish fair value gaps and levels that we had drawn, everything in red, and below all that in green is the bullish fair value gaps and levels that we had drawn. There are a few below this, and as you can see. And the analysis yesterday was that Nifty could trade between these two levels because there's a lot of buy side and sell side liquidity between these two levels. Now, this is exactly how this expiry happened. And as usual, now let's go and delete the levels from the previous day and start afresh. What we do here is usually we try to find biases on Nifty on time frame starting with the monthly and then all the way down to the hourly time frame. This is Nifty in a monthly time frame. I do not have a bias on this time frame, therefore it is mentioned here as not sure. Why do I not have a bias? Because for a bullish bias I need higher lows to be formed, and for a bearish buyer I need lower highs to be formed. Neither of it exists in this chart right now. Where are the buyers and where are the sellers? Sellers are all right here. This is where the sell side liquidity is present. And what you're seeing right now is that Nifty is eating into this sell side liquidity, and if there's fresh selling coming in, it could fall down. If there's no fresh selling and there's fresh buying coming in, it could move up. And where are the buyers? The buyers are right here. Let me mark it in green. Moving over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. It was bearish yesterday. It is still bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this is a swing high and this is a lower high, so clear case of a bearish formation. Here we have a bullish fair value gap on a weekly time frame. This was ideally as a candle that respected this fair value gap. This shouldn't have happened. Now it is happening, so that means there's a lot of liquidity here, and that's the reason. You can see another weekly candle forming in this space. Moving over to the daily time frame, we get a view of on a smaller time frame here. On a daily time frame, the bias is bearish. This is a swing high, and as you come lower, here is a lower high. So very similar candles formed on alternate days. This is similar to this, and this is similar to this, and we have bearish fair value gaps that are formed. One right here, let me mark it in red, and another one right here. It's being tested for the second time. Interesting pattern of candle formation. Now that the expiry is done, we need to look at what's going to happen. If it decides to come down, this is a good support level. If the opening is not below this, that is. Here there are good big buyers, and if it falls further, then we have a better support here. Moving over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bearish because you see this is a swing high and this is a lower high. Nifty is bearish on an hourly time frame. We have to take a closer look. It was bullish yesterday. Now this is a swing low, this is another swing low, and that swing low is it protected? Now we need to take a closer look at this because it's too close. The low is 23,581.95 and the low of this is 23,587.2. So yes, this low is protected. So it's a swing low here and a swing low higher, so that is bullish. So nothing has changed from yesterday. The biases are the same. But since the expiry is done now, we have to see the real movement of Nifty from today. And the one big factor that moved Nifty today is the depreciating rupee. Let's see what happens with that tomorrow. There's also some news coming from the Middle East with the threat of escalation from Trump. But I think the market has factored that threat, and now it's only the Indian weakening rupee that's holding Nifty back. Let us see today. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.